Welcome to historic Summerville, South Carolina, located right outside of the Holy City. The tea is large, the trucks are old, and things are not always what they seem to be in this little town. On this episode of ClemHillAdventures. But don't let the old buildings fool you. There's something going around. The great old trucks in front of the brew house tiptoe around the park and the city, and let's see what we can find. But be careful. Someone's watching you. She's awful stiff and didn't seem to be too friendly. But apparently, prosperity can be found on Main Street. If you follow the rules and keep your dog on a leash, your compass is set for a great adventure. Here, your biggest concern might be what door to open. But I'm not going to open any. I'm just going to stroll around. The beautiful old patina shows you're headed in the right direction. But be careful, you never know what's around the corner. For here, Murphy's Law is waiting for you. Hopefully, things will go right today. Artistic expressions can be found here at the pharmacy right by the main park. Acts of God happens here. Little boys fly in planes all by themselves. The trees are large. The town square is beautiful. There are things to do, places to eat, games to be played, and murals to enjoy. But beware, something is hiding here. Apparently, she slays monsters. The theater is alive and well. Right here, close to the Holy City, something is amiss. You will be watched. The cupcakes are on a higher level. The fish may be mad. Attitudes abound, but we couldn't find any. You can find grocery stores, but they might just be okay. Okay groceries can also be found here. Or maybe Bojingles is more your style. The mellow mushroom is waiting for you. In this artistic little town, there was much to do, and prosperity is waiting for you on Main. This was a great way to spend an afternoon. This little town cracked me up with all the signs we kept seeing everywhere. I felt like the town had a story to tell. Thanks for watching this week's episode of ClemHillAdventures.